हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी हिट्स पर। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं यूपी टीजीटी इंग्लिश के टॉप 20 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू जो कि बेस्ड होने वाले हैं लिटरेरी मूवमेंट पर। ये आप लोगों की आगामी परीक्षा यूपी टीजीटी के लिए होंगे। तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के टॉप 20 एमसीक्यूज लिटरेरी मूवमेंट पर। Question number 1. The Renaissance movement in England is mainly associated with A. Religious reform, B. Revival of classical learning, C. Industrial growth, or D. Scientific revolution. So the right answer is option number B, revival of classical learning. Emphasized the revival of Greek and Roman art, literature and humanist learning. 2. The literary movement that emphasized reason, logic and order is called A. Romanticism, B. Classicism, C. Realism or D. Naturalism. So the right answer is option number B, Classicism. Classicism valued reason, discipline, balance and rules in literature. Question number 3. Which movement reacted strongly against classicism? A. Modernism, B. Romanticism, C. Realism, D. Naturalism. So the right answer is option number B, Romanticism. Romanticism rejected reasons and rules, emphasizing emotion, imagination, and nature. Question number 4. The Romantic movement began in England around A. 1600, B. 1660, C. 670, C. 1798, or D. 1850. So the right answer is option number C, 1798. Romanticism is marked by publication of lyrical ballad 1798 by Wordsworth and Coleridge. Question number 5. Which of the following is a key feature of Romanticism? A. Urban life, B. Scientific accuracy, C. Love for nature, or D. Social reform. So the right answer is option number C. Love for nature. So the right answer is option number C. Love for nature. Romantic poets focus deeply on nature, imagination, and emotions. Number 6. Victorian literature is mainly concerned with A. Fantasy and magic, B. Moral and social issues, C. Mythology, or D. War poetry. B. Moral and social issues. Victorian writer focused on morality, social reform, and problem of industrial society. Question number 7. Realism in literature aims to A. Escape reality, B. Present life truthfully, C. Glorify the past, or D. Promote fantasy. Right answer is option number B, present life truthfully. Realism depicts ordinary life and society as it actually is. Question number 8. Naturalism is an extreme form of A. Romanticism, B. Realism, C. Classicism, or D. Modernism. Right answer is option number B, realism. Naturalism extends realism by showing life controlled by heredity and environment. The modernist movement began in response to A. Industrial Revolution, B. French Revolution, C. World War I, or D. Renaissance. So the right answer is option number C, World War I. Modernism reflects disillusionment and fragmentation after World War I. Question number 10. Which literary movement emphasized stream of consciousness? A. Romanticism, B. Realism, C. Modernism, or D. Classicism. So the right answer is option number C. Modernism. Modernist writer experimented with new technique like stream of consciousness. Question number 11. The metaphysical poet belonged to which period? A. Elizabethan, B. Jacobean, C. Victorian, or D. Modern. So the right answer is option number D. Modern. Metaphysical poetry flourished during the Jacobean age, early 17th century. The Augustan age is also known as the age of A. Drama, B. Novel, C. Satire, or D. Romance. So the right answer is option number C. Satire. Satire was dominant especially in the work of Pope and Swift. Question number 13. Which movement focused on individual freedom and imagination? A. Classicism, B. Romanticism, C. Realism, or D. Naturalism. So the right answer is option number B. Romanticism. Romanticism celebrated individuality, freedom, and imagination. Question number 14. Postmodernism differed from modernism mainly in its A. Serious tone, B. Belief in absolute truth, C. Playfulness and irony, or D. Focus on war. So the right answer is option number C. Playfulness and irony. Postmodernism uses irony, parody, and question all fixed meaning. Slogan Art for Art's sake is associated with A. Realism, B. Romanticism, C. Aesthetic movement, or D. Victorian age. So the right answer is option number C. Aesthetic movement. The aesthetic movement believed art need not serve moral or social purpose. Question number 16. Which movement focused on the harsh realities of industrial life? A. Romanticism, B. Realism, C. Symbolism, or D. Classicism. So the right answer is option number B. Realism. Realist writer portrayed social problem and industrial hardships. Question number 17. Symbolism mainly originated in A. England, B. Germany, France, or D. America. So the right answer is option number C. France. Symbolism began in France in the late 19th century. Question number 18. The Bloomsbury group is associated with A. Romanticism, B. Victorianism, C. Modernism, or D. Postmodernism. So the right answer is option number C. Modernism. Bloomsbury writer like Virginia Woolf were the key figure of modernism. Question number 19. Which movement rejected traditional narrative techniques? A. Classicism, B. Modernism, C. Realism, or D. Victorianism. So the right answer is option number B. Modernism. Modernists experimented with form, structure, and narration. Question number 20. The Industrial Revolution influenced mainly which literary movement? And Victorianism, B. Classicism, C. Renaissance, or D. Postmodernism. Right answer is option number A. Romanticism and Victorianism. Romanticism reacted emotionally while Victorianism addressed social impacts. तो दोस्तों ये थे टॉप 20 MCQs लिटरेरी मूवमेंट पर आप लोगों के TGT इंग्लिश पेपर के लिए। अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं ऐसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।